So doing a little bit of cleanup, I'm kind of iterating back and forth between edit mode, sculpt mode, etc. Let's change our viewport shading to the solid. And I'm going to just kind of go into edit mode for the moment. Oh, got the wrong item selected. There we go. So, as I'm looking at this, of course, I see there's some, in the last video, I kind of talked about things being a little out of place and sort of managing that. And I'm seeing that there's, some similarities happening in different spots. And rather than doing it piece by piece, I can have the same things apply all the way across the board. And I think in this case, I'm actually going to go into sculpt mode again. And I'm going to make sure that I select the smooth tool. And I'm going to just take that radius down fairly small. I'm going to take the strength down and make that fairly small. I'm going to make sure that my X and Y are turned on for mirroring. And then I can just kind of make a few little tweaks like that. And we'll see that things have smoothed out all the way across on that. Maybe I see a little bit of that happening here, and this is something I was messing with this on the previous video in edit mode. But maybe I just tried doing the same thing here in sculpt mode. And then what we'll do is we'll just pop back into edit mode and make sure that that geometry looks correct and nothing moves too much. And assuming that's the case, we will let it stand. I'll look around and see if there's things like that happening in other spots, but that is the basic plan.